Life on Earth is astonishingly diverse, from microscopic bacteria hidden in soil to towering trees in rainforests and complex animals roaming land and sea. The planet is home to an incredible variety of living beings. When we ask, how many lives are there in the world? The question can be understood in two ways. How many individual living organisms exist at a given moment, and how many different kinds of life forms, or species, inhabit the Earth? Both perspectives reveal the richness and complexity of life that has evolved over billions of years. Scientists estimate that Earth contains trillions upon trillions of individual organisms. These include humans, animals, plants, fungi, and especially microorganisms, such as bacteria and viruses. In fact, microorganisms make up the vast majority of life on Earth. A single teaspoon of soil can contain billions of bacteria. The oceans are filled with microscopic plankton that support entire marine food chains. Although humans often focus on visible life forms like animals and plants, most life is invisible to the naked eye. When considering the number of species on Earth, researchers have made many attempts to calculate a reliable estimate. Currently, about 1.8 to 2 million species have been identified and named by scientists. However, this is only a fraction of the total number believed to exist. Many species remain undiscovered, especially in remote areas such as deep oceans, dense rainforests, and underground ecosystems. According to scientific studies, the total number of species on Earth may range between 8 million and 10 million. Some estimates go even higher when microorganisms are included, possibly reaching tens of millions. Life on Earth is generally classified into 5 major kingdoms: Monera, bacteria; Protista, fungi; Plantae, and Animalia. Each kingdom contains thousands or millions of species with unique characteristics. The animal kingdom alone includes insects, fish, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and mammals. Among these, insects are the most numerous. Scientists believe that insects account for more than half of all known species. Ants, beetles, butterflies, and bees are found in nearly every environment on Earth. Plants also represent an enormous part of life. There are over 390,000 known plant species, ranging from tiny mosses to giant redwood trees. Plants are essential for life because they produce oxygen through photosynthesis and form the base of most food chains. Without plants, life as we know it would not exist. Fungi, though often overlooked, play a crucial role in ecosystems. They help decompose dead material, recycle nutrients, and form symbiotic relationships with plants. There are an estimated 2 to 4 million fungal species, though only a small percentage have been studied. Microorganisms, including bacteria and archaea, represent the largest portion of life in terms of numbers. Scientists believe there may be trillions of microbial species, many of which have not yet been classified. These tiny organisms live everywhere, from deep-sea vents to human bodies. In fact, the human body contains more bacterial cells than human cells, showing how deeply connected we are to microbial life. Human beings, although only one species among millions, have a significant impact on the planet. The global human population has now surpassed 8 billion people. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, climate change, and urbanization are affecting countless other life forms. Many species are facing extinction due to habitat loss and environmental changes. Scientists estimate that thousands of species go extinct each year, often before they're even discovered. The oceans, which cover about 71% of the Earth's surface, contain an enormous variety of life. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, support thousands of species of fish, plants, and microorganisms. Deep-sea ecosystems, which remain largely unexplored, may contain many unknown life forms adapted to extreme conditions. Rainforests are another hotspot of biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest alone is home to millions of species of plants, insects, birds, and mammals. These ecosystems show how life thrives in complex, interconnected systems where every organism plays a role. Understanding how many lives exist in the world also helps us realize the importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life forms in an ecosystem. High biodiversity ensures stability, resilience, and balance in nature. When species disappear, ecosystems can become fragile and less able to survive changes. Technological advances such as DNA analysis and deep-sea exploration tools are helping scientists discover new species every year. Even today, thousands of new species are identified annually. This shows that our knowledge of life on Earth is still incomplete. In conclusion, the question, how many lives are there in the world, does not have a simple answer. There are trillions of individual organisms and likely millions of species sharing this planet. From the smallest bacteria to the largest mammals, life exists in countless forms and environments. This diversity is the result of billions of years of evolution and adaptation. Recognizing and protecting this vast web of life is essential for the future of our planet.